Hi everyone, it's Lexi time. So I have made two videos in the past. The first one is about my hunt for the perfect Hermes Birkin 30 dupe in the color Taupe, which I absolutely love and I think is a gorgeous color and it matches everything, even with this really cute K-Spade jumpsuit that I have on today, which is like a navy with, if you can see, like little yellow flowers on it. So I'll do some matte shot later with the Birkin that I purchased. And my second video, it's about unboxing it when I first got it. I was so excited, and I want to share about the unboxing and my first impression of it as well with you all. So I made my second video. I will link both videos down below, so if you haven't watched that, make sure you watch the hunt first and then the unboxing, and of course continue to watch this video if you're interested about my review of my Birkin dupe. Okay, so I mentioned last time I got this, if you could see it, I'm going to adjust the camera just a little bit. I got this beautiful Hermes, it's in Taupe color. This is the dupe from Tiger Lyly, and they have tons of different kind of, I guess, different bags. So this is the one that I ended up choosing, and I talked about in the last video when I unboxed it that I'm going to use it for a couple days, and I'll come back and give you a review. And that I ended up deciding a couple days is not gonna make me know whether I really like it or not, and I can't really give a great review. So I ended up using this bag for about a month now, so I think I could definitively say yes, I like it, or no, I don't. So I'm gonna show you guys how I decorated. So with this one, as you can see, I ended up putting some twilly on top for both the front and back. And I think this color twilly really matches pretty well. It has mainly white, so it kind of matches the white stitching. It has some gold color on the decoration which kind of matches the gold hardware. And they also have some pop of red and some pop of navy, which is very easy to match, especially with my dress today. So I think this matches really well. I ended up using the twilly. I did use this bag without the twilly for about a week or so, and I say, why not? I'll change it up. And I've seen many people using twilly, and I ended up thinking it's a good idea because sometimes your bag, if you hold it too long, you use it often, then the top could be peeling, some of the leather could peel, or just it gets dirty. So I think having the twilly and protected the handle, it will kind of help, and also give that really cute decorations for this bag. So in terms of how I use this bag, I really just use it, I say, open tote. So I think like the last time we mentioned about this back flap here, which is very hard to open and close. Is for, we all know, for people even owning the real Hermes Birkin, that it's just very difficult. And I think because the insert that I had in there was pretty thick, so it's kind of like no way I could close this, and it's just too much trouble. So I think it's okay. At first I was worried being not so secure, but all I'm doing is carrying this to and from work. So really I'm not going on a hike or anything that I would worry about things falling off, and I'm not traveling with it. And I've seen people travel with totes before, and it should be okay. So, so far so good with the open tote. As far as how heavy, okay, this is pretty, it's a decent size because I pretty much fill it up quite a bit in here, and I'll show you later what exactly that I have in here. So I think like the size wise, you don't want any bigger than this. because I did talk about in previous video why I picked size 30, how you could carry this in the crook of your arm. In the mod shot, I'll show you that as well. But so it kind of alleviates some of the weight from your hand if you don't have to carry all the time. And also just then you could be hands-free to do other things. So let's see, what else do we have? Okay, so what fits inside? I actually have, of course, a organizer in here. So the organizer, I just got it from Amazon, and then again, the Twilly, I got it from AliExpress too. I mean, there's no point for me to spend a couple $100 on each Twilly from actual Hermes if the bag itself is not from Hermes, right? So this works pretty well. You could find it in a lot of places. So I put my sunglasses case on top, and I don't know if you could see it. I'm gonna try to see if I could show you. So on the back, there is this strap that comes with the bag, which I don't really think I need it. It's good to have, but normally if I want to experience how a Birkin is, then I generally just don't carry with strap. But if you really needed it, there's a good option to have, right? So I have some pens, some pen, you can see pen, napkins. Okay, so my phone case, there's like slots in, I don't know if you can see it in the, oops, it's not falling off. Okay, there's a phone case or actual phone will fit in here. AirPod case on the side. What else I got? Okay, so I do have on the side here. This one I like because you could put water bottle in here. Actually, the sunglasses case will fit in there as well. And then I just kind of carry this little pouch, and I put my hand sanitizer in there so I'm not kind of dirty the bag. So I kind of shove it in there as well. What else I got? I got my wallet in here. I got another wallet in here. Just the stuff that I don't typically use. This is a smaller wallet where generally most of my cards that I commonly use are in here. Keys for my car keys, or the pouch for my car keys. And then, see, look, a little cute Hermes pochette in here. So, which I could then put like a bunch of stuff in here. It's just kind of like my first aid kit and eye drops, cough drops, whatever you call it, right? So all in here. So then that's pretty much what you can fit. There's also, of course, within this insert, it has a zipper pocket, so it's pretty secure. On the back of this bag actually has a zipper pocket, but I don't feel like I need to even get there. It's just harder to get to the bag, so I don't even do it. In the front, there's a pocket where I put some receipts in here. So now it's pretty light now that I took everything out. But then again, I could put a shed bag, keychains bag, my wallet bag, my other wallet back in here, and my phone case where I normally insert it, and also AirPod in here, hand sanitizers in the bag, and also my sunglasses on top. So again, everything is back. So now it's heavy again, but it's not super heavy when you carry on your arm or carry on your hand, but for like shorter period of time, but definitely decent size. So I'll do some mug shot at the end of this video. You can see how I carry it. In terms of, okay, a couple questions that I thought about, having this bag, and I'm thinking to myself, what do I think about this particular bag? Do I think it's worth it as being the dupe So I would say absolutely. I think with the price that you pay for this, it was like just about $100, maybe $50 ish. And also the material, it's pretty nice, and the hardware is so shiny, and the aesthetic looks really good on this bag, whether it's Birkin or not. It's the style is impeccable. So I definitely use it quite a bit, and I think because the color, the style, it just matches so well with all your clothes, no matter what color you're wearing, white, black, gray, brown, and even like colors. I think pink will go really well, like the blue that I had on looks good. Like a lot of different color would match this color. And also, to me, I think it's just a very carefree bag. You could throw a lot of stuff in it, you could carry to work. And when I say carefree, it's because I know this doesn't cost so much money. So really, I don't have to worry about being too careful about it. So that's why I think this is a great buy. Another thing I kind of asked myself is, would I ever buy a real Birkin? And now that I've been using this for a while, I feel like not so much. I mean, yes, it is not within my budget currently. If I ever had the money and have the money to buy a Birkin, do I want to actually buy the Birkin? I would say no, and I will tell you why. So first of all, I've been watching a lot of video about people have to play the Hermes game in order to gain a bag, and it's just so many steps and so many heartaches. And of course, once they get it, they're absolutely in love with the bag they have. But just to get to it, I don't know. I just feel like I don't think I want to play that game, right? And then second of all, when I watch, there is one YouTuber that I watched, and she said when she owned a Birkin, or was it a Kelly? I can't remember, like one of the iconic bags, right? So she owned, I believe it's a Birkin. So she said after she owned it, she probably only wore it like a handful of time, if not even, just because she was so worried about it. Because we all know it costs upward of tens if you could get it from a store, or 20,000. So if I really have to carry that type of expensive bag, I would be so nervous to even put it down. I know it, like this one has feet on the bottom, the real one does too, so that would help alleviate. But if you were walking around, you could bump into things, your ring could be scratching onto the leather, and you'd be hitting things. And so I think I would just be so nerve-wracking to be even using a real Birkin. For me, I definitely think this is a bag to have if you don't want to play the game or wanted to worry too much to have the real bag. So if you have any other questions that you want to ask me, I'll be happy to answer my thoughts. So please comment below. And also, if you like this video, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoy making all my videos, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel so you could watch more what's upcoming next. Thanks again for watching, and have a great night.